Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Alpha. And in this video, we are going to talk about a very simple swing trading strategy, which is the EMA Golden Crossover. Now, this is a really simple strategy and doesn't require much of an effort, but you need to enter at the right time. So let's discuss about this. So these are some of the guidelines. After that, we'll see some examples and move straight away to the charts. So you should always use this with stocks which have high volumes and enough liquidity. Always remember that technical analysis works best only on highly liquid stocks. So if you're doing this with some stock which is not that liquid or which doesn't have high volume, so you can get into trouble. And the second point is that you should always do this with fundamentally strong companies. I recommend staying within the Nifty 50 segment or at max within the Nifty 100 segments. You really should not go beyond that because that can give you heavy losses. So the reason behind that is so that you can hold with conviction if the price goes against you. We'll see an example of that as well. And the golden crossover is nothing but when the 50 exponential moving average crosses over the 200 exponential moving average, we term it as a golden crossover. Now, some people use the simple moving average instead of the exponential one, but I think the EMA is better as it incorporates and gives higher emphasis to the recent candle than the old candles. So I think EMA is better than SMA. And the strategy says that you can initiate a long position when the 50 EMA crosses over the 200 EMA from the bottom and vice versa. And all of this you need to do on a daily time frame. So you should use a daily chart. And you can use the Heiken-Ashi candles to stay in the trend. Now, Heiken-Ashi is a special type of candlestick which is different from the normal candlestick pattern, and it basically eliminates all the noise and gives you a clear picture of the trend. We'll see that soon on the charts. And my suggestion is that if you're holding a stock for less than a month, so 5 to 6% of return is really great. If you're getting that, don't be greedy and just exit. Otherwise, you can use the concept of trailing stop loss to capture the entire move. So let's just go to the starts. Let's just go to the charts and start looking at. So I will take 6 to 7 examples. So let's start with Reliance. So this green line is basically the 50 exponential moving average and this red line is the 200 exponential moving average. So as per the strategy, you should have entered somewhere around here and then you can see what big move has Reliance given. This is from 1520 to almost 2300. Now even if you didn't capture the full move, you can still capture a really good move here. And talking about the Heiken Ashi candles, so you can just go to display and change this to Heiken Ashi. Now you can see a clear uptrend. So what you can do is that whenever you see these red candles developing, you can book some profit here. You must have entered here, so you can book some profit here and then you can continue. So that highly depends. I highly recommend to exit at a 4 to 5% profit, and if you want to capture the entire move, just use the concept of trailing SL or trailing stop loss. Now the second stock that we are going to see is HDFC Bank. Let me change the display back to usual candlesticks, and yes, now you can see that if we could have entered here, the price is around 1100. Now you can go up till 1450 if you use trailing SL. uh, this is really great. You can capture a really large move here, so you can do this. The strategy is pretty simple. There is no rocket science involved, and this works most of the times, but this can not work most of the times as well, because you can have situations in which there is a crossover, but after a few days the price starts to come down again. We'll see an example of that. Let's see Kotak Bank. Again, here you can see here is the crossover and you can see the move for yourselves. Let's take TCS. TCS, again you can see here is the crossover and here is the move. Let's see Infosys. Again, so this is pretty self-explanatory, right? And you can always just after entering you can use the Heiken-Ashi candles, and if you would have used that, you can see that up till here or somewhere around even here, you are not observing any sort of bearish trend, so you should not exit your position unless this doesn't give you the signal. These green candles of Heiken-Ashi tell you to stay in the trend and just keep following, and always use a trailing stop loss. Now this might not work always. I will show you an example. Let's take Maruti. Yes. So you can see that here we got the crossover, but the price again came down. So one of the things that you can do is basically I can suggest you two things here. First one, you keep your stop loss at the 200 exponential moving average. That could be helpful. And if not, then what you can do is you can just hold on to the stock because you know that Maruti is a Nifty 50 stock and a financially strong company. So it can recover back, and you see that it has indeed recovered back. So even if you would have entered here, now you can see where is Maruti standing today. So it's all about patience, and that's the reason that I told you to enter in fundamentally strong companies, because even if the price starts to go against you, you can have that conviction that the stock will recover and the price will again shot up. Because if you are entering in a weak company or a company which doesn't have a strong fundamentals, so you can just be trapped in the stock forever and you can risk out your entire capital. So you should not do that. So this was a really simple strategy, and this is not much of a strategy, this is common sense, but people don't use it quite often. So that's why I shared it with you. You can definitely use this for swing trading along with Heiken-Ashi to generate good returns. So I guess this is it for this video. Then hope you liked the content and you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more such content. Until then, stay tuned and take care. Bye bye.